I'm making a body butter. I had started it already, but right now I have shea butter, mango butter, and cocoa butter just melting down in a double boiler, which the way I do it, I'll put the harder butters into a Pyrex and then put them into a pot of boiling water on low. Okay. So now what I'm about to do is measure out the liquid oils or whatnot, and then I'll pour in the melted hard butters to mix it together. Just adding in some jojoba oil now. This is the last oil that, or the last, the last like liquid oil, as opposed to it being a hard butter, or a butter that I had to melt in. So, I'm only adding a small amount of that.
Finally, I can use this.
Okay, I'm adding the melted butters in with the oils into my mixing bowl or whatnot, and now I'm gonna let it sit in the refrigerator for a little while, and I'll come back after when I'm blending it. I just took it out of the fridge. I had it in there a little bit longer than I wanted because I was eating, but here's what it looks like when I was...
See, I like the way you jump, and you sabi do the dance, and you sweet like everything go, baby, you know. Say me carry no be small, to be told me no shake, I get this control, girl, I like the way you, like the way you, I like the way you dance for me. I like the way you bounce, yeah. I like the way you bend like say you want to greet your mom. You bend like say you want to back your money. Just bend like say you want to kneel for daddy. Just bend like say you don't send anybody. See, I like the way you jump, and you sabi do the dance, and you sweet like everything go, baby, you know. Say me carry no be small, to be told me no shake, I get this control, girl, I like the way you. Like
the consistency when I'm done whipping it. Now I'm about to put it in a piping bag, either a piping bag or a Ziplock bag with the little, with the piping tip, and attempt to pipe it in to one of these and a few of these. And well, before that, I'm gonna separate it out into bowls and add some mica powder and the fragrance oil that I'm using. Then, you know, do what I said with the piping bag or the Ziplock bag or whatnot, and attempt to pipe it into these containers, because I always have trouble with that. But we'll see how that goes. I'll try to record it. So I have my butters separated out to add the mica powder and the fragrance oil. As you can see, I have more in this one because I'm making more of this one, so I'm using the bigger container for this. Trying to stir and hold the camera is complicated. What I did initially, I put some of the fragrance oil in a little container and mixed it with some mica powder.
I love you.
Huh?
See, I like the way you jump, and you sabi do the dance, and you sweet like everything go, baby, you know. Say me carry no be small, to be told me no shake, I get this control, girl, I like the way you
Container or whatnot.
like the way you,
It was okay.
I like the way you dance for me. I like the way you bounce.
While you
greet your mom. You bend like say you want to park your money. Just bend like say you want to kneel for that. You just bend like say you don't send anybody.
Pretty. Look at the swirls.